Dear student, how are you? Hope you are all well. I am also well. Today I am going to take another English class for the student of class 6. So, welcome to all. I am Apurva Bishwas, assistant teacher, Kalshira Rajendra City High School, Chitolmari, Bagerhat. Class 6, subject English first paper, Birds of Bangladesh, learning outcomes. After the lesson, the student you will be able to choose the best answer the question, fill in the blank with own words, make sentence from subtable. Dear student, read the passage from your text. Bangladesh is a country full of natural resources. We are proud of our soil, forest, flowers, fruits, and birds. The country is gifted with plentiful of fauna due to its geographical location. Birds are one of them. Today, we will read about a bird known as Benebow in Bangla and black-headed oriole in English. Dear student, look at the picture carefully. The bird is very beautiful. Its body, head, beak, tail, black-headed oriole, and nickname is Benebow. Another picture of black-headed oriole. Its body is deep yellow color, head and throat are black, and beak is red. Some part of the wings are black. The black-headed oriole is a bird of the plainland of Bangladesh. Its body is deep yellow, its head, its throat, its tail, and some parts of the wings are black. Its beak is red. It looks like a moina and is about 25 centimeters in length. It is seen in Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, and some other countries. The black-headed oriole is a very sprightly and restless bird. It never stays at one spot for long. It eats all kinds of worms and insects. Its call is quite sweet and pleasant. The black-headed oriole builds round-shaped, beautiful nests with dry grass and barks of trees. Both the male and the female bird take part in building their nest. The black-headed oriole lays 2 to 3 eggs at a time. Now choose the best answer. It looked like a moina. Here word like means similar to, such as, love, familiar to. The correct answer is similar to. The black-headed oriole is 25 centimeter dash long, wide, length, high. And correct answer is length. Black-headed oriole is 25 centimeter in length. Benebow lives in the dash-shaped nest. And its correct answer is round-shaped nest. There is a similarity between crow and moina, benebow and eagle, black-headed oriole and moina, benevar and black-headed oriole. Dear student, you know there is a similarity between black-headed oriole and moina. Benebow lives in dash land, highland, hilly land, plain land, rocky land. And correct answer is, you know that black-headed oriole lives in plain land. What is known as black-headed crow, moina, eagle, beneboo? Beneboo is known as black-headed. Black-headed oriole is a dash bird, restless, quiet, naughty, nice. And its correct answer is restless bird. And next is, Benebow does not live in a place temporarily, permanently, forever, shortly. Benebow does not live in a place permanently. Now read the passage again and answer the following question. A. What is known as Benebow? Number B. What is the color of its body? Do you like the call of Benebow? Why? Number D. Which bird looks like Benebow? Number E. Where else can we find this bird? Number F. How is the nature of this bird? Number G. How does it build its nest? Number is, do you think the black-headed oriole play an important role in nature? Why? Now read the passage again and fill in the blanks with your own words. The black-headed oriole dash a bird of the dash land of Bangladesh. The black-headed oriole is a bird of the plain land of Bangladesh. Its body and head are of a dash yellow color, deep yellow color, dash throat, throat, its tail and some dash of wings and some part of wings are black. Its dash is red. You know that its beak is red. It looks like a dash. It looks like a moina and is about 25 centimeter in dash length. It is dash in Bangladesh, found in Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, and some other countries. Read the passage again and fill in the blank with your own words. The black-headed oriole is a very dash and restless bird. The black-headed oriole is a very sprightly and restless bird. It never stays at one spot for long. It dash all kinds of dash. It eats all kinds of worms and insects. Its dash is quite sweet. Its call is quite sweet and pleasant. The black-headed oriole dash round-shaped beautiful nest. Build round-shaped and beautiful nest with dash grass, dry grass and barks of trees. Both the male and female birds dash in building their nest. Both the male and female bird take part in building their nest. The black-headed oriole dash 2 to 3 eggs at a time. Lays 2 to 3 eggs at a time. Homework. Make 5 sentences from the substitutable table. Dash is a very sprightly and restless bird. It never dash one spot for long. Dash eats all kinds of worms and insects. Its dash round-shaped beautiful nest. Dash take part in building their nest. Dash lays 2 to 3 eggs at a time. Student, your homework is make 5 sentences from the table. Dear student, thank a lot Goodbye.